Good day. I am Sarah Jane Masones from Bachelor of Science in Biology 2B. My task for this first laboratory assessment is to discuss how I answered the laboratory activity number 4, which entitled Mechanism of Speciation. For me to be able to answer this laboratory activity, I should first understand and analyze everything about the mechanism of speciation. The first term is the speciation. When we say speciation, this is the evolutionary process by which population evolved to become distinct species. Under the mechanism of speciation, it includes the mechanism of isolation, where in these terms refers to the ways in which groups of organisms became separated for long enough to develop into different species. They help cause speciation. One example of this is geographic isolation through vicariance. When we say vicariance, it ranging from slow process such as the rise of the mountain range to rapid events such as mile-wide lava flow that bisects a snail population. A study of vicariance event were conducted by Nancy Knowlton and her colleagues. Geological evidence has established that Isthmus of Panama closed about 3 million years ago, as this isthmus rose and created a land bridge between North and South America. Population of marine organisms became separated on Atlantic and Pacific sides. Many scientists believe that the formation of Isthmus of Panama is one of the most important geologic events that happened on Earth in the last 16 million years. Even though it is only a thin sliver land relative to the sizes of continents, the Isthmus of Panama had enormous impact on Earth's climate and its environment. Over the past 2 decades, hundreds of studies have assumed that the Isthmus of Panama have closed at 3.5 million years, causing the separation of the widespread marine population into distinct Pacific and Caribbean groups, the vicarians, and the first possible dispersals between North and South America, with the exception of stochastic long-distance dispersals. The formation of the Isthmus of Panama also played a major role in our biodiversity of our world. The bridge made it easier for animals and plants to migrate between the continents. For instance, in the North American today, the opossum, armadillo, and porcupine all trace back to ancestors that came across the land bridge from South America. Likewise, the ancestors of bears, cats, dogs, horses, llamas, and raccoons all made the trek south across the isthmus. When the Panama Land Bridge was uncovered between North America and South America, the terrestrial species of North American lineages crossed to South America or rivers. This represents all dispersal event since they move, colonize a new habitat, and undergo speciation. The recent construction of Panama Canal has led to either slide by a barrier. Hence, this is vicariance event in case of marine animals. It is termed as a dispersal event because of the opening of Panama Canal allows movement of species from Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean and vice versa. The species of shrimps, which was also mentioned in the previous discussion were geographically separated by Isthmus of Panama and subsequently divided into two groups due to interruption of gene flow. This is a result of what we call the vicariance.